Once more we will talk about the practical application of the RCA. When my partner Bernd Höhle is attacking me, we will show it slowly first, how I will block the attack and afterwards create some distance to have enough time to pull out my law enforcement equipment, in this case my RCA. So welcome again to the next practical application. This time I will use the RCA as a short stick, like a Kubotan for example, so I can hit the muscle groups of the attacker, create some distance between us and eventually reach the spraying position. We will first start in slow motion and then increase the speed of the exercise. Please leave this place now. Please leave. Don't touch me. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Knife is secured. Both hands on the back.
weiter Alles. Gibt's nicht sowas. Den Arm rüber,
Give me
los!
that hand.
Okay.
I will give you first aid now and rinse your eyes. The ambulance will be there in a second and my colleagues will be there in a minute to pick you up. What were you thinking of?